There were a few requests for activities for children who have not yet started speaking. So, children whom we call as pre-verbal or non-verbal kids. So, how is it that we stimulate them? How is it that we interact with them? Or how is it that we encourage them to make more sounds or to talk? So first thing that you have to remember that you cannot force a child to talk. So if your child communicates to you in any way, they point to something, they look at something, drag your hand and put it on something, make sure that you understand what it is that they are trying to tell you. At that point, do not force them to talk. Do not say tell, tell, tell. No. Instead, if they put your hand onto the object, model what it is that they have to say. What I mean is, suppose a child wants the ball and he takes your hand and puts it on the ball. For you to give it to him. So at that point you say, oh, you want the ball. Mommy, ball please. Can I have the ball? I want the ball. So any phrase that you want them to say, model that phrase. Use short sentences. Keep a slightly louder sing-song voice and complete the action. So at that point you're teaching the child, this is what you have to tell me to have your needs satisfied. This is one thing that you have to do. Next thing that you do, most children enjoy music. So we can use that as a way of getting them to make more sounds. So how we do this? You could take either rhymes or you can take movie songs. Anything, whatever it is that they like. So whichever is a song that they enjoy, pick that out. Do that with action. So if it's a movie song, you can do a dance with that. If it's a rhyme, do the action. So how you do is you sing the song slowly and you pause in between. Wait for some time to see if they come out with the word. So suppose you're doing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. You go Twinkle, Twinkle, Little. And you just wait. Freeze your action. Put your face forward. If your child doesn't say, then you say star. How I wonder what you are. So give them some time. They don't say, then you supply the word and keep going forward. But when we repeatedly do this, and if it's a song that they really enjoy, you will find them singing in with you, making the sounds or just saying a few words or whatever. This is something that most children enjoy. Another activity that you can do is make cards like these, nice big flashcards of objects that they will see commonly around the house, of objects that will make a lot of sound. Try pictures of things like this. Sit face to face with your child. Give your child a tray or a box. Keep the card near your face. Make the sound 2 to 3 times. Give the card to your child and the child just has to put it into the tray. So how do you do this? This is how you do it. What's this? Cooker. How does the cooker do? Shh. Cooker is saying, shh. Can you try that for me, please? Shh. So you just request but make the sound instead of the child. Repeat the sound 2 to 3 times. Give the card to your child and the child drops it into the box or the tray. Keep doing this, but with persistent effort, you will find the children starting to come out with a few sounds here and there. Like I have always said, try it out and do let me know in the comments how it goes. Because it is based on your responses that I can come up with more activities or ideas on how you can work with your children. So do let me know how it goes after you have tried it out.